Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Picked up this seed cleaning machine not too long ago. Some people call it a seed sorter, and figured I'd make a quick video showing you how it works. There's actually a few different seed cleaning machines that you can find if you search the internet. This is a larger design. It's about 3 feet tall, and that works really well, but I figured I'd go for the more compact one. So here's what it looks like. It is pretty small in size. The dimensions are 18 inches wide, 12 inches tall, and nearly 6 inches deep. And I have it just resting on two 5-gallon buckets. So pretty convenient. Basically the seeds will be sorted into one bucket and the plant material will be sorted into the other bucket. The plant material does need to be very dry and completely crumbled up, so the seed should be separated from the plant material, not really connected to it. Because you're going to place it in the machine, it's going to go down into the machine, and the fan is actually going to blow it from the left up and over. That'll be the light plant material that goes into the bucket on the right, and then seeds are heavier, they're dropped down on the left. The fan that's connected to this is an AC infinity fan, just connected to my wall outlet. This is my first time ever using this seed cleaning machine, so I'm going to start out by using it at medium speed. Now, different plants have different size and weight of seeds, so depending on what seed you're working with, you will adjust the speed with the variable speed controller. Okay, so here I have my plant material. It's all broken up the best I can. I've got this little piece of wood here. It's actually a skewer, just so I can push the plant material down if needed. And here I go. I'm emptying the plant material into the machine, and you can see the lighter plant material is actually being blown up, over, and into the bucket on the right. And then the heavier seeds are actually dropping down into the left bucket. Alright, so I ran everything through. You can see some of the plant material is actually blown out. Didn't actually go all the way down. It was stuck there because it's so light, the wind was just kind of pushing it outwards. Looks like we have one area here where seeds were stuck. So this design is certainly not perfect. Alright, removing the seed cleaning machine. Here is what the bucket on the right looks like. The bucket with the plant material. And you can see a whole bunch of underdeveloped seeds. And then the bucket on the left has all of the good seeds. Well, it should be good seeds. I'm sure it's not perfect, but you can see a majority of the seeds are nice and dark, and there's a high chance that they are viable. Just for testing purposes, I am going to take the bucket on the right with the plant material and all the underdeveloped seeds, break it up a little bit more with my hand. Actually going to dump it out onto a screen and then break it up with my hand. I'm going to run it through the machine one more time, and I'm going to see if there's any developed seeds that went ahead and got launched over to the wrong bucket. Okay, so I ran it through again. You can see the plant material in this bucket and then the seeds in this bucket. Looks like there are some clearly developed seeds. I know the color is going to be real tricky, so you can't fully say it's underdeveloped just by looking at its color, because some seeds may still be like a gray color but still be viable. But yeah, I poured it out onto my screen and just separated the remaining ones by hand. Overall, this machine is going to save me a ton of time. It actually already did save me a ton of time. I could have been sorting this by hand for hours, but I decided to invest into this machine. I'd love to know your thoughts on this. Let me know down in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. This is my Garden Talk channel. I have my Garden Talk podcast on here that is every single week. Sometimes I'll do Q&A videos. Those get scattered on my channel as I have time. And every once in a while, there'll be a topic video that shows up on this channel as well. On the outro card here, the video on the left is one of my recent Q&A videos, and the video on the right is automatically generated by the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, and I will catch you in the next episode.